For years, tech giants around the world have had little to no accountability and very few laws governing them. The likes of Facebook, Google, Twitter have become all too powerful. But now the walls are closing in on these social media giants. India is standing up to the big tech and tensions are rising. The Indian External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar, has called for a debate on the responsibility, accountability and influence wielded by the big tech companies, saying that such issues cannot be brushed under the carpet. The minister's comments came during a virtual conversation with the former England Prime Minister Tony Blair. He said, and I'm quoting now, "In a democratic society, we have to ask ourselves, big tech is there, it is in my life, very visibly in my life, so you have a big presence. Here is the responsibility that comes with it. They have huge power. Where is the accountability?" It is a question that many have been asking for quite some time now. Big tech is all too powerful now, and as they say, with great power comes great responsibility. S. Jaishankar's comments coming amid a tussle between the Indian government and Twitter. Legal trouble mounting for the social media platform that is repeatedly failing to comply with the country's new IT laws. Earlier, the Delhi Cyber Cell had filed a complaint against Twitter for child pornographic content on the platform. This case has been registered based on a complaint by the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Twitter even received a notice from the National Commission for Women calling for removal of all pornographic and obscene content within a week. Twitter has responded to this, saying it has zero tolerance for such content and will continue with the removal of content that violates its rules. Meanwhile, police cases are mounting against the social media platform. Earlier, Twitter also showed Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as separate from India. Twitter's India chief Manish Maheshwari has been booked under the Indian Penal Code with serious charges, citing bid to undermine India's territorial integrity. But this is not the first time Twitter has encountered such trouble. Last year, the government of India had issued a notice to Twitter and threatened legal action after Twitter showed Leh as a part of China. The social networking giant had to tender a written apology back then. But it's not just Twitter that is in focus. Facebook and Google India officials also testified before a parliamentary committee on the issue of misuse of social media platforms. Besides complying with India's new IT laws, the committee also directed both to follow the instructions issued by the government as well as the court orders. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.